The BMW 2800 Spicup emerged from the productive collaboration between BMW and Carrozzeria Bertone in the late 1960s. Designer Marcello Gandini created this unique prototype to showcase engineer Enzo Cingolani's innovative retractable roof concept. Bertone received a BMW E3 saloon platform, chassis number Bertone, Versuchswagen, meaning experimental car, and shortened the 2500's wheelbase by 30 centimeters to accommodate the dramatically styled body. The name Spicup combined spider and coupe, referencing the car's distinctive three-piece stainless steel roof that retracted into a substantial roll bar. This mechanism, though never reaching production, influenced Bertone's later targa-top design for the Fiat X19. Power came from the 2.8-liter straight-six engine from the BMW 2800 CS, producing 170 bh-power through a 4-speed manual transmission. The bonnet featured an unusual opening to accommodate the engine's air intake, which protruded through the hood. Gandini incorporated his signature semi-concealed headlamps with motorized flaps, creating visual similarities to the Alfa Romeo Montreal and Lamborghini Jarama. The interior featured an extraordinary tri-tone color scheme, dark green, lime green, and silver metallic fabric throughout. The Spicup debuted at the 1969 Geneva Motor Show, followed by appearances at Concorso d'Eleganza in Alassio and Frankfurt Motor Show. BMW declined production and sold the prototype to a Dutch motor dealer, who registered it for regular road use. The new owner repainted the exterior orange, covered the distinctive interior in black, and mechanically connected the engine cover to the hood. Over the next decade, this show car accumulated an astonishing 100,000 kilometers as a daily driver, possibly making it the world's most used one-off prototype. After storage throughout the 1980s and 1990s, the deteriorated Spicup resurfaced in 2008. A Belgian collector acquired it and commissioned Carrozzeria Gran Turismo in Milan for complete restoration. The 2,000-hour project required rebuilding the floor pan, sills, and doors entirely. The wooden rear bumper, ravaged by termites, needed complete reconstruction. New window glass was molded, and specialists painstakingly restored the original three-tone upholstery, even hand-painting the silver fabric sections. The restored Spicup premiered at the 2009 Villa d'Este Concours d'Elegance, followed by display at the BMW Museum in 2010. At a 2011 Bonhams auction, it achieved €460,000, ultimately returning permanently to the BMW Museum in Munich, where this extraordinary prototype continues captivating visitors with its audacious design and improbable survival story.